Gonna hike into clouds. One of the most difficult heights ever. Parking lot is full. Even the motorcyclists turned around, and we saw a cop give a ticket to someone. This is a crappy situation for what is surely the trailhead for 3 of the most popular hikes. Aside from this being bear country and perhaps wolves and cougars and etc., this person who did the hike yesterday apparently lost his wallet doing Brunswick Mountain. And these are other items that were lost by people. This may be the final thing you see me document, but we are about to go into the junction that's less traversed into Brunswick Mountain, where Kong lives. A bear took his rage out on this log. We are walking into uncertain, perhaps certain death. Dun 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 dun. And we reached what seems like a very slippery, sketchy bridge, if you can even call it that. Okay, that's not fun. No. So it looks like a part of this bridge has a crater in it. Interesting. Maybe there was a landslide. Where they tried to... So, there's a fork, right or left. If you go right, later you see a sign that says Brunswick. But should we the map? Yes, yeah, says I. He says nah. Bushwhacking through foliage. We are going to see Kong in this wilderness. Will he eat us alive, or will he bring us to the treasure that we seek? And the steep ascent begins with a spiral staircase. And it just goes up and up and up. Yeah. Steep. Can you spot the hiker who is ascending into the unknown woods? It is now steep AF. What to do when there are 3 logs in your path? You give up and turn back. Yeah, that's what you do. You go all the way back down, all that elevation gain. Go really close. Dun 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 dun. This is the actual peak of Brunswick. And ladies and gentlemen, it's scrambling time. Dun dun dun. Hi.
Almost there.
Almost? Scrambling time. And that marker leads to the great beyond. Apparently to what is called the no-fall zone, where you cannot afford to fall. Dun, dun. Going up. That's pretty up there at the peak. And that is the no-fall zone. Truly no fall, sheer drop on either side to your certain demise. And I guess this is a little bit of...
There's looks like a man-made structure.
But oh yeah, there is something on top of that. Maybe it's like a cairn or something. Got some people on that ledge. Cloud of fog.
You can start, for example, by ruling out what you don't want there.
What you don't want there. There's a convergence of winds. Clouds are coming up from this side, and then, nope, getting pushed back. Fascinating phenomenon. Now, what we have here? Someone is shedding. As my first Good Samaritan act of the day, I shall carry it off this mountain. Bonus points. Yes, and the vortex continues. We were up there. Dun-dun. Yep, clouds keep coming up and the wind pushing them away. Way back. Definitely no drop zone.
You mean no fall zone?
No fall zone, yeah. Yodelling!